Hello, my name is Monica, and if you're watching this video, you've probably already made the very wise decision to purchase a galvanic spa machine. So it can be a little overwhelming, so this video is going to show you step by step how to use the machine at home. So when you first get the machine, when you open up the box, what are you going to get inside? You're going to get a face machine, body conductor head, facial conductor, a line corrector head, and the hair conductor. Inside, you're also going to get the NAPCA mist, the Gentle Cleanse and Tone Foaming Cleanser, 2 packs of galvanic facial gels, and I'm going to teach you step by step how to use all these products to create your more youthful skin. So first, just want to emphasize that the machine uses batteries in the back and the bottom here, 2 AAA batteries, and the on button is in the front where the logo is. 5 modes. I'm going to teach you how to use all 5 of those modes. So before you start your facial, you should wash your face with the Gentle Cleanse and Tone. When you pump it out, it's going to look like this in a foamy texture. Always try to wash your face using an upward motion to help with the toning and lifting. And as you can see, I washed my face dry. If you're not wearing any heavy makeup that day, then you can just apply the foam directly onto your face. If you have heavy makeup on that day, I would still recommend to use a makeup remover to remove all the makeup first, especially if you have a lot of makeup around your eyes. Spray a little bit of the NAPCA mist just to activate the foam again. The NAPCA mist is very antibacterial and it helps with toning as well. So at this point, you would rinse your face, and I will be doing that in my sink. And we will be right back for step 2.